What's up guys, Reese here from reese3d.com. In this video, we're going to unbox the brand new MacBook Air, my first Apple computer. So let's start with the outside of the box. So in the front we have just the picture of the laptop itself, and they're actually trying to show off that it is very thin, right? So the side we have the MacBook Air branding, and you can also see that there's the Apple logo here, and we again have the MacBook Air branding here, and we have the Apple logo on the other side. And if you look at the bottom, in the bottom we have the specs mentioned there. Now the model that I have is having 8 GB of RAM and then 512 GB of SSD storage, and it has 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, and this is the latest M1 chip. So let's open the box, and Apple has nicely placed a little ribbon kind of thingy here. So I'm gonna just pull this, okay, so you can see that it just comes out. Wow. And I think I can just take out the whole thing from here. Yes. So let's open it up. Okay, so there is the laptop itself. So if I just open this up, okay, so that's the laptop itself. You can see it's really thin. It's not that light, it's quite heavy. Okay, so now if we keep the laptop on the side, and you can see that we have the cable, USB cable. So it's basically a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and then we also have some instructions. So we have 2 Apple stickers as usual, and some little documentation. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here, and there's the power brick. So you can see it's a 30 watts charger. So now let's look at the laptop itself, and here it is. So this is the front, that's the back. So to open up the cover, I need to just take this up, just peel it over. Okay. There we go. So there it is. Look how thin it is. Okay, fine. So we have one headphone and microphone jack, combo jack there, and then we have 2 USB Type-Cs, and that's all the ports that we get on this laptop. So I'm going to just keep it like this, right? And I'm going to try to open this just with a single finger. Okay, so let's see if it works. So just one finger. I'm just going to hold a little pressure on the back side. I'm just taking the left hand out, and you can hear the sound the moment I opened it, and the Apple logo has come up and it started already. So let's go ahead and get this setup done, and then I will get back. Alright guys, so it took about 15 to 20 minutes to get the initial setup done. Keep in mind, when you do the initial setup, there's one information that you need to keep in mind if you just buy this laptop. There's an option to encrypt your data, and this is enabled by default. So I just went through some forums and stuff. I came to know that it takes up a little extra space, and it makes it a bit ultra secure, meaning that if you lose your password, you will not be able to get any data from there. Okay, so it's better to disable it unless you have very highly secure data there. Okay, so keep that in mind, and just disable it when you just install it, go through the initial setup process. Okay, and then there it is. It's ready and running. So this completes this video. See you in the next one for more Apple, GoPro, Insta360, and 3D animation tutorials and stuff like that. Get subscribed if you haven't subscribed already, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.